Hey guys, I'm Matt, and today I'm going to teach you how to bind your Spektrum transmitter to your custom drone. First thing we're going to do is take your Spektrum and power it on. Once here, we're going to create a new model. I like to go and press the clear and back together. That'll bring up our model select. And at the bottom it says add new model. We're going to click that with the scroll wheel. We're going to go over and create. Go back to the main menu. Now we have a brand new acro model set up. Now we're going to hit our scroll wheel to go into our main menu. Go down to servo setup. In servo setup, we're going to have to adjust our travels for our throttle, our aileron, our elevator, and our rudder. They're all going to have to be 147. So we're going to start with the throttle and move the low end to 147. And then we're going to want to take our throttle and go up and move the up end or the top end to 147. Now both of them are at 147. We're going to move over to our aileron. And we could change both these at once. So we're going to click the scroll wheel. And then we're going to move them to 147. And the same with elevator. And rudder. Now we're going to go back to the top right here where it says travel. We're going to highlight that and we're going to go to our reverse menu. This is where you're going to have to reverse your aileron and your rudder. Now we're going to back out of this menu. Now there's one more thing we're going to check. We're going to go down to system setup. Are you sure? We're going to hit yes. We're going to go down to channel assign. We're going to go to the next page. And down here is where you can assign your switches. We're going to want to make sure that your aux1 is on a 3-position switch. As you see, it's already on switch D, which is a 3-position switch. If we wanted to change it, we would click, highlight, and we can change that switch. But I'm going to leave it on switch D as it was. Now you can back out. Now we're going to plug in our quad and wait for our receiver to flash. Once it starts flashing orange, we can go ahead with the bind procedure. It's flashing orange. Now we're going to bind our model. We want to make sure our quad is a couple feet away from our transmitter when we do so. So I'm going to move this out of the way. We're going to hold our bind button up top and then we're going to power on our transmitter.
Binding. DSMX 22 milliseconds. Bind complete.
Now it says our quad is bound up. We're going to verify that it arms. If you bought your quad from us, your aux1 switch in the up position is angle, middle is going to be horizon, and all the way down is going to be acro. Otherwise, you'll have to program the switch in Betaflight. Alright guys, now you're ready to put some props on and go flying. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to this channel for more build tips and tech tips.